Are you still just using ChatGPT to write your emails? That's like using a supercar to get groceries. The AI revolution is happening right now, and the people making real money aren't just asking questions, they're using specialized tools the public doesn't know about. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain. Forget theory. These are 10 actionable AI tools you can start using this week to build a side hustle that could easily net you $100 a day. Let's get into it. First up, ElevenLabs. This is not your creepy robot voice from 2010. This is Hollywood-level voice cloning and text-to-speech. You can create ultra-realistic voiceovers in any style, any accent. So, how do you make money? Easy. Go on Fiverr or Upwork. There are thousands of jobs for YouTube channel voiceovers, podcast intros, and audiobook narration. Clients will pay $50 to $200 for a script you can generate in minutes. Land one of these a day, and you've already hit your goal. It's the ultimate faceless creator tool. Next, Runway ML. This is like having a video production studio in your browser. Its most insane feature is Gen 2, which creates video clips from a simple text prompt. You need a shot of a dragon flying over Tokyo? Done. The money-making angle? Create and sell unique stock video footage. Or even better, offer services creating short, scroll-stopping video ads for local businesses. You can charge $150 for a 30-second ad that takes you less than an hour to generate and edit. Next, Gamma.app. Hate PowerPoint? Good. Meet Gamma. You just give it a topic and it generates an entire beautifully designed interactive presentation or web page. No more messing with text boxes and templates. How do you profit? Pitch decks. Startups and students dread making them. Offer a pitch deck design service. Charge $100 to $300 to turn their messy notes into a stunning professional presentation that Gamma builds for you in 5 minutes. It's pure arbitrage on your client's time and effort. This one is a game changer for social media. Opus Clip takes one long video, like a podcast or a webinar, and uses AI to find the most viral moments, then automatically edits them into dozens of short, ready-to-post clips with captions. The business model is simple. Become a content repurposing manager. Charge clients a monthly retainer of $300 to $500 to take their single weekly video and turn it into a fire hose of daily content for their TikTok and Reels. You're saving them dozens of hours. Everyone knows AI can write, but can it rank on Google? With NeuronWriter, yes. It's like ChatGPT with an SEO brain. It analyzes the top-ranking pages for your keyword and tells you exactly what terms and topics to include in your article to beat them. The money is in freelance content writing, but you're not just a writer, you're an SEO content specialist. Businesses will pay a premium, think $150 to $400 per article, for blog posts that are scientifically engineered to rank on Google. This one is just plain fun, but also profitable. Suno AI generates complete songs with vocals, instruments, and lyrics from a text prompt. The quality is shocking. How do you make money? Create custom, royalty-free music packages. Sell a podcast intro and outro music pack for $50. Create lo-fi study beats or gym workout anthems and sell them to content creators who are desperate for music they won't get a copyright strike for. Ready to have your mind blown? HeyGen lets you create a digital twin of yourself or use a stock avatar to create videos from text. You type the script, they say it. The killer application here is corporate training and multi-language content. Offer a service creating HR onboarding videos or product tutorials for companies. For a global company, you can use the AI translation to turn one video into 5 languages, charging per video. It's an insane value proposition for them. Every new business needs a logo, and most founders are not designers. Looka uses AI to generate hundreds of professional logo options in minutes. The hustle is obvious. Offer a small business logo and branding kit service for $150. Your client gives you their business name and vision, you use Looka to generate the options, and you deliver a full branding package that looks like it came from a high-end design agency. Perplexity AI is what search engines should be. It doesn't just give you a list of links, it browses the web, reads the sources, and gives you a direct, summarized answer with footnotes. It's like having a team of research assistants. The money angle here is specialized research. Offers services for market research, academic literature reviews, or content fact-checking. You can charge an hourly rate or a flat fee per project, like $100 for a one-page competitive analysis report, that Perplexity helps you create in a fraction of the time. And for our final, most niche tool, Interior AI. You upload a photo of a room, and it completely redesigns it in any style you want. It's incredible for visualizing a space's potential. The money is in real estate. Offer virtual staging services to real estate agents for $75 to $150 per listing. They get to show potential buyers how an empty, ugly house could look, and you can generate these stunning mock-ups from your couch. So, there you have it. 10 insane tools that do more than just answer prompts. They create, design, and produce. The $100 a day goal isn't a fantasy. It's just about picking a tool, developing a service around it, and finding your first client. The opportunity is massive. If this video just blew your mind, do me a favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And subscribe to 30sec AI so you don't miss the next wave of tools. Now, the most important part, leave a comment below and tell me which tool you're going to try first. Let's go make something.